Yeah, this is the crown bar material pages. You can see you have different links here you can use on the menu. But I also want to tell you that you can use the next button. This is a very practical one because then you can go through the information. The first time you see these pages, you should go like this and see everything that's important if you're not used to this kind of business. I also want to point out some special pages here. Measuring on the garments. Then you can see there is a PDF showing how to measure the garments. So you can go on this page. You see the names also of each kind of measuring, and you see the how it's done. And if we then go to the color pages, you can go and see the PDF for that. Here you have the names we normally use. This is the first option you should use when you give the color names for your garments, actually. But there is also an external link that you sometimes can use. You press and you get a code number. Down it shows there on the. This is a green example. You put the blue and you make multiple nearby colors, and you choose which color you like to have. And then I want to finally show you one more thing, and that is on the printing and embroidery pages and so on, decorations. There we have print places also. Yeah, here we have a print a set of places which you go to, and you can see the numbers. And the numbers tell you, so if you want to print on the breast over here, you put 1, but if you want it on one side or the other, then you can explain a bit better if you want. You can even copy these pictures and make a red cross or something on that place where you want to printing. This is the back side of a t-shirt or shirt or whatever it is, and then you have the trousers, how you can do that, and for other types of garments you will just do a similar way or explain it from an image where you want to print, or you have an image with a ready print, or you give us a sample and then we will work from that.